Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. We're back at another street food Saturdays. Let me tell you, I'm a little bit upset already because like it took a very long time to get here. It feels extra long and we've been here before. So if you plan on coming here, yo, make sure that you are just planned and prepared and you have guests in your car because it's pretty far up. But great scenery, great vibe. There's a river setting you can sit down, especially because it's hot now. So take your shoes off, wear Crocs, like, oh sorry, shame wearing Crocs, but yeah, I can put my feet in the water and be good and stuff, so we're there. So you're getting this?
Either ribs or lobster.
Yeah, so either way you guys gonna see ribs and lobster because we'll go switch shoes on them, so yeah, that's the vibe. Alright guys, so we come over here so we try collect a little crab and thing. It's all away from it. It's all away from the food. Crab, curry crab.
Crab, one per crab.
Alright, so we have to wait like 20 minutes on the crab. So we're just walking down here to this river space, which I think is really worth it because time hot at Jamaica right now. And the drive is far, it's good to like actually have. That's something kind of makes sense. Alright, but we can't stay here because she's wearing Bridget's and so we won't be able to experience that right now at the moment. Alright, so I'm down here, just have my feet in the water for a bit, waiting on the food to get ready because it's really hot up there. I'm not gonna lie, the water pretty cold. It's a vibe. Alright guys, so I finally got the seafood. I might not talk about this much because like right now I'm and I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna try the seafood. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how that is. It looks good. It's curried king crab with I believe festival and some kind of coleslaw I think. Alright, so the king crab is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie you. I think I did mention I was gonna choose lobster instead of king crab, but the lobster was like for $3,500. This was like for $2,800. So yeah, and I eat lobster quite often anyway. And this cornbread festival thing, whatever it is, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's almost like a naan bread, but a little bit denser and almost like a festival at the same time. So it's really cool. It's good. How's your ribs?
What's the other thing? Turkey? It's pretty good. It doesn't slide off the bone, but it's pretty good.
So I had a piece of the rib just now before asking her about it, and depends on your preference. I'm not gonna be like tell you guys what to expect. Well, tell you guys what exactly it is, if it's bad or good. For me personally, it's not the, and as Judah said, it's not the fall of the bone kind of rib. So if you're looking for a fall of the bone, nah. In terms of seasoning, like the flavor is pretty good. If you add hot sauce to it, it gets even better. But yeah, it's, for me the texture is a bit more gamey. You can definitely know that, yeah, it's an animal, like they're ripping through the meat and stuff, but flavor is good and stuff. The crab, however, I can't complain with it at all. I believe Judah got like cornbread with the ribs. What a vibe with that? With the ribs together? Yeah, so that's a vibe, I guess. Yo, there's a whole heap of people back there. You guys see the line? So many people are here for food. But we have to scoot. What time is it now, babe? 4:05. It's 4:05. They're cooking up in the Blue Mountains right now, so I have to, you know, cut the lemonade. The, what do you call it again? The lemongrass lemonade was great. You like it? I don't like it. You like it? Yeah. It was really good. But yeah, we have to leave right now. So, you know, so we switch over to see the one thing and you know, we're going to beat that's your lemongrass juice. Yeah, but take over right now, white chop.
You're so up close and personal right now.
The camera is like...
Yo, babe, remember all of our pimples?
Yeah.
Stop.
So guys, remember, if you appreciate us like going up there, spending this money, this time, trying to get this stuff sorted out for you guys, to show you guys the experience, and to give you guys like real honest reviews, like drop a like on the video. I really appreciate that, guys. Just trust me. And shout out to the people who just drop a like even before you even start watching the video. Like, I really appreciate that. But it's almost like it's heading to 5 o'clock now. We need to head to the Blue Mountains, and from here to get to the Blue Mountains like easily 1.5. So
Let's say 2, because we don't put traffic into this.
yeah, traffic into it and everything, but yeah, we trying. Alright, let me try to drop as much information on you guys as I can remember. First of all, don't ask me where this place is located. It will be in the description box. If you leave a comment, I'm not going to respond to it. It's going to be in the description box. I'm going to give you guys the address that they put on their Instagram page. You can follow it from there. When you get very close to the area, you're going to always be seeing signs. Maybe every 5 or 10 kilometers there will be a sign like to your left hand side going up. It will say street food. How much did we spend? We spent about how much? 6,200 exactly. So in US dollars, that's about like 53 bucks about. Jamaican terms, yes, pretty expensive, but like it's an experience and the food is pretty good. So if you want to try something that is Jamaican but with a twist, like you might have never heard or seen, you guys can definitely go up there and check it out. It happens once a month at the end of the month on a Saturday. That's what they call it, street food Saturdays. So it's the last of the month when you get to pay from paycheck. You guys can go up there and check it out. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the experience. We're heading home now. Yeah, we're heading home for a second and then back to the Blue Mountains where we'll continue. Yeah, I was blocking her driving view. Anyway guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.